Okay, Will, this is what we did today, simultaneous equations, and we worked through some of the ones from exercise 210. In 2b, I'll just scroll through the workings slowly and you can pause when you need to. So this is what we did today for those who are away. Exercise 210, we worked through some simultaneous equations. I'll just scroll through the work and you can pause it if you need to. How you going?
Good, go home.
Yeah, we'll do in a minute. So this is what we did today, some simultaneous equations, and we were working on exercise 210. I'll just scroll through the working, pause it where you need to. I just notice on part E, it's sort of disappearing off the screen, but the answer for M is 5 1/2.